welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna show you what I eat for post-workout, for a post-workout meal. From leaving my construction job to taking the risks as an entrepreneur, this channel is about pursuing your dreams, turning your pain into your purpose. Everything you go through in life is making you. My name is Mike, GASMONEY, Gastelum, and this is my story. This is a go-to pretty much every day. I eat the same things. You want to do repetition. Repetition makes reputation. That's like my motto. So just eating the same foods over and over and just kind of building that. So tip number one is only have protein and carbs post-workout. So no fat, just protein and carbs. Cardinal rule, mistake number one. I hear this all the time. I'll ask somebody, hey, what do you have for post-workout? Oh, I have, some orange juice, I have some fruit, I have a banana. I'm like, dude, that's not gonna repair and build muscle. So you want a protein source and then you want carbs. So that could be, yams, sweet potatoes, any type of potato, any type of oatmeal, rice, grits, anything like that. So my choice today is gonna be Kodiak protein-packed oatmeal. Has chocolate chips in there, so it literally tastes amazing. I'm gonna have 2 of those right here. You get this anywhere, any like grocery store, like, Whole Foods, Target, whatever. On top of that, right there, bam, let's go. Check these babies out though. Yo, and then you just slice it in the middle, pop it in the toaster. That shit tastes bomb. Like if you don't think that you can have good meals and still see results, you're tripping. That's just a lack of comprehension. So, man, that's why I want to show you, like you can still eat good and still see results. That's why people on my team see results. So I add in a little bit of blueberries. So protein, this is the staple. These are staples, guys. You want to find staple foods. These are fixtures in my diet. This is liquid egg whites. So I have like 8 to 12 ounces of that. Look, again, so to not get fat in your diet, you want to cook with 0-calorie PAM spray. So just a couple sprays of that, 0 calorie, no fat. I'm also having instant coffee. So I'm actually trying to get off of caffeine a little bit. I was getting too high. I was getting like 600, 700 milligrams of caffeine. It was like, it gets to a point where you overstimulate your body and actually does the adverse effect where caffeine doesn't work. Doing the decaf, yeah, you could talk shit or whatever, but it is what it is. So a lot of people struggle with, what should I put? Can I put creamer? What can I put in there? Dude, you're missing out. If you're not having the low fat Oatly milk, which you can get anywhere, like Target, Whole Foods, for the macros, it's 8 ounces. And I don't even use 8 ounces. Like I usually put 2 ounces in my cup of coffee. How do I stay focused right now? Since I'm not drinking stimulants, I'm going with the mud water. I'm trying this out right now. And it's stimulant free. It has lion's mane, cordyceps, cinnamon, turmeric, salt, Himalayan salt, and it's stimulant free. It just helps with the cognition. It helps with a lot of different things and kind of give my adrenals a break from the caffeine and the stimulants. So this is what I'm going with in the morning. I think that's it. So let's get cooking. All right, so here we go. We're gonna start off with the good old PAM. So just a little bit of that. I got my egg whites. And you want to get a scale. So I'm gonna do 8 ounces. 801, I love it. So that's good right there. And we're just ready to go. Boom. I got my oatmeal right here. And I just pour that here. 2 packets. It's already measured out, so just go off of the box. So while I usually move kind of fast, so I do everything at once. So yeah, that's pretty much done. So we put this for 1 minute. I'm trying to do this with one hand. It's kind of messy. We're on the home stretch here. This is all taking like 2 or 3 minutes. I got my hot water with the St. Fit mug. I mean, dude, if you got a brand, rock your own shit, And then what I do is I just put like a teaspoon of decaf in there. And then this is 6 grams of this mud water. Honestly, it tastes like shit, but whatever. They ain't sponsoring me. Everything else that I eat, it tastes bomb, but this shit's, I don't know. All right, so last thing. So we put the Oatly milk in there. 2 ounces, that's what I do. We're gonna pop these bad boys in that toaster. So we got it all right here. Got the coffee, the focus, got ready. And then we got the recovery, the protein and the carbs with the dope ass bowl. You can get this. This is like low carb jelly. You could add that to anything. Yeah, just weigh it out if you want. It's all about repetition. Simple scales, fancy fails. You want bodybuilding foods. You don't want to eat like fucking fruits and all that shit. Like, you can eat that, but just know that's not really gonna be building your muscle. It's just not. Like, have you ever seen a bodybuilder have a bunch of fruit and bananas? It just doesn't exist. It doesn't. Drop a comment if you like these Saint Fit mugs though. I appreciate it if you do. Saint Fit, the people's gym. Gas Money, the people's coach. In the flesh. You're in my house. Come on, man. With Cesar Chavez in the back. You know what I'm saying? Dude, I'm telling you, this isn't even bad. Like, if you eat like this every day, you'll be freaking ripped, lean, burn body fat, and it's not even hard. People say it's work. Like, what part of this is work? It's not.